6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1 egg. Cheers. Chase it with a little protein shake. Do that 3 times. CDC thinks risk of salmonella is 1 in 20,000 eggs, but I think they're not taking consideration of farm fresh free range.
Where does it go?
Right out the front door.
Oh.
I think the poor environment of conventional raised chickens and eggs probably increases the risk of salmonella significantly. So if you can get some farm fresh free range chickens, I think your risk is much less than the 1 in 20,000. So thought making like a video of me eating raw eggs.
Oh.
Gag City the first few tires, but if you keep up with it, you grow to crave it and love it. I prefer it when the yolk doesn't break, just goes down the gullet a little bit easier. Seems like when it breaks, taste gets to you a little bit. Cheers.